absolute ba talaga yung confidentiality when it comes to dollar accounts?
Well, based on the presidential decree, and that's Presidential Decree 1246, no, it clearly states strictly confidential ang dollar accounts. Pero kung titignan nga po natin how this law evolved in the first law, Republic Act 6426, it did not have the specific provision on strict confidentiality of dollar accounts. As a matter of fact, it recognized the exceptions of Republic Act 1405. This is with regard to the bank secrecy law, no? So, which acknowledged that impeachment is an exception to bank secrecy. And then the succeeding law after that, PD 1035, also recognized the same exceptions of Republic Act 1405. Ang nag-iba lang talaga yung PD 1926, which was issued on November 1977. This law was already under the time of President Marcos, and we were under martial law. So hindi na Kongreso at Senado, hindi na House of Representatives at Senado ang gumawa nitong batas, kundi mismo ang si Pangulong Marcos lang, dahil he had legislative powers, no, as dictator at the time.
So sir, for you basically yung statement ng some senators who voted to respect the TRO, yung reason nila that we made this law and we violate it. Anong
para sa akin, I think they did not look at the history of the law. We originally made the law, Republic Act 6426, but the original Republic Act 6426 did not contain any confidentiality clause. It was only Presidential 1926 that 1246 that inserted this strict confidentiality clause.
Are you still gonna push for it, or kumbaga ano na to, dahil nag-decide na yung Senate, you're just gonna let it?
Well, we will accept the decision of the Senate, although of course there are commitments made by the Defense Council that they would release the dollar accounts of the Chief Justice, and it also depends if the Senate, if the impeachment tribunal is able to argue their case well in the Supreme Court, which the Senate President mentioned that they would, then who knows? Maybe the Supreme Court might lift the TRO themselves.
Do you think, sir, the SC would have a better appreciation of all these laws pertaining to the dollar accounts?
Well, they've decided about with regard to this law in previous cases. They even gave an exception, the case of Salvacion, which Congressman Miro has been talking about a while back, that even if there was a strict confidentiality rule, they still created an exception in order to look into the dollar accounts of this person.
Okay.